And for this song we have the capo on the 3rd fret, and the song is in C major relative to the position of the capo. In the verse and in the pre-chorus we start off with C for 1 measure, and then we go to G for 1 measure, and then we play D minor for 2 measures. And the strumming pattern that we have here is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down. On the studio version there's a different strumming, but I based this tutorial on how she plays it live at the Tiny Desk concert that she gave last year. And I have created a playlist of all my tutorials of songs from that concert. So if you want to check them out, you can go to the description. So in the verse and the pre-chorus we have C, G, D minor, D minor. In the chorus we have F for 1 measure, and then we go to C, 1 measure, G, 1 measure, and then D minor for 1 measure. And we use the same strumming pattern here.